Welcome. In front of me is a DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings. Next, scroll all the way down to System, and scroll down again and select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list right here of data that will be removed by this process, which includes most importantly things like music, photos, and user data. Now if you have anything of that sort that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. Now assuming you have already done so, or you just don't want to, you can click Erase All Data, do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. And this process will take approximately a couple minutes to finish up, but once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.